What if all life throughout the universe is an extension of the mechanism by which all physical properties naturally fall into place? On the micro scale, organic atoms evolve and eventually complexify into molecules, which then, if given enough time and opportunity, will evolve into complex multicellular organisms. In the same way, on the macro scale, since the nucleosynthesis of the Big Bang, the universe, as it has been expanding outward and has had its matter and energy evolve from the Dark Ages, reionization, to the matter-dominated era, and accelerated expansion. I posit that life is a natural result of the forward progression of the universe and its elements, and that it probably began its spread during the matter-dominated era. That is to say, life throughout the universe is not all starting from a common timestamp, but rather independently occurring at various intervals. Now, in this continuing complexification process, what is the role of life in this grand coalescence of reality? We know that gravitational waves interact with every single corner of the universe, and therefore all of life. It is a fair assumption to make that given enough time to technologically advance, that life will eventually learn to utilize gravitational waves as a form of communication, travel, and influence. Therefore, life is working to connect itself through a series of gravitationally permitted strings to one another, like a stadium of individuals all casting strings with tin cans to one another to speak across the lines. This very much reminds me of the neuron clusters of a brain, sending and receiving action potential signals. In this analogy, the axons are gravitationally communicative planets with civilizations, the nucleus being its respective sun, and synapses are the cosmic distances between them. To what end will this cosmic highway of connections reach? Perhaps eventually a state of homeostasis, whereby all life in the universe will eventually act in equilibrium and as an independent, yet collaborative, brain.